In today's video, I will be teaching you how to use Undetectable AI for free. So you're going to be using the method of accounting, and how does that works is basically head over to a temp mail platform, and once you are here, you can see we can simply copy this mail. I recommend temp mail since this is the most effective one. Then you can create a new account. So in the beginning, it is going to be giving you some credits or words which are limited. So you can see if I head over to a detector, you're going to be getting around 10,000 words. So that is something we are getting once you create an account. So once you use all of these, you're going to be needing a new account. So for that, you can simply head over to temp mail and click onto this delete option, and it is going to be giving you a brand new fresh email that you can copy and create another account and get your work done. So basically that's how you can get it for free. I know it's a workaround, but it is what it is. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.